me what you got.
All right. Cha-cha.
Cha-cha. Cha-cha.
Cha-cha later.
Cha-cha.
In this cha-cha, Kent will be paired up with all-star Anya in a piece choreographed by Jean-Marc and France.
That's a new style of cha-cha, my friend. It's his second cha-cha. And he did a very, very, very good job on week 1, so the judges expecting blood. 5, 6.
Just because I've done it once doesn't mean I'm an expert at it at all.
So I want you to read it out loud, okay?
My first kiss.
That's what it is, my friend.
Ken had a little practice already on the show by kissing a lot of girls.
Kissing comes easy, definitely when you have Anya, you know? So that's nice.
This cha-cha, imagine Anya as a school teacher and Ken as a bad boy.
No.
He will be starting in the audience with a stranger.
Some just random person?
Yeah, so you're gonna say, my first kiss went a little like
and
this.
And kiss them?
And maybe.
I'm already feeling awkward, so I'm just thinking it would be more awkward that I have to be all up in some girl that I don't even know. So, I mean, we'll see how that goes.
Nobody will ever want to do that with Ken. Do you think we can find a girl in America who wants to do that with him?
What do you think, girls? Any volunteers? Any volunteers? Okay, dancing with all-star Anya. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Kent.